Imagine standing in a crowded street in downtown Manhattan or the foggy alleys of San Francisco, camera in hand, waiting for that split second where reality aligns into art. For years, one specific line of cameras didn't just capture those moments. It defined the very soul of street and documentary photography. We are, of course, talking about the legendary Fujifilm X-Pro series. Since the release of the X-Pro 3, the photography world has been caught in a state of restless anticipation. Rumors have swirled, speculative specs have torn through internet forums, and photographers have held off on upgrading, waiting for Fujifilm to make their next moves. The wait is finally nearing its end, and what Fujifilm is cooking up for the X-Pro 4 isn't just an incremental update, it is a statement of intent. Today, we are breaking down every single leak, verified spec, insider report, and hidden feature that makes the Fujifilm X-Pro for the most anticipated mirrorless camera of 2026. If you have been on the fence about your next gear purchase, or if you're wondering whether Fujifilm still cares about purist photographers, stay right where you are, because everything is about to change. To understand why the X-Pro 4 is causing such a massive stir across the tech and photography landscape, we have to go back to the philosophical split that Fujifilm created years ago. Most modern cameras are built like Swiss Army knives. They try to be video powerhouses, hybrid tools, studio workhorses, and vlogging rigs all at once. But the X-Pro line was always built with a singularly focused mission: to give photographers an optical and tactile experience that mirrors the classic rangefinder days, combined with cutting-edge digital performance. When the X-Pro 3 arrived with its controversial hidden LCD screen, it polarized the market. Some called it a stroke of genius that forced creators to stay present in the moment, while others viewed it as an unnecessary hurdle. Insider leaks from the supply chain confirm that Fujifilm listened carefully to that feedback. With the X-Pro 4, the engineering team has struck a masterclass balance between classical ergonomics and modern usability. At the heart of this upcoming beast lies a hardware transformation that brings the X-Pro lineup into the modern era. Sources indicate that the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 will feature the massive 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, paired seamlessly with the ultra-fast X-Processor 5 engine. Why is this detail so critical? Because high resolution in an APS-C frame previously meant compromising on low-light noise or dynamic range. However, Fujifilm's latest sensor architecture delivers unprecedented detail, giving street photographers the freedom to crop heavily into their shots without losing an ounce of sharpness or fidelity. Imagine shooting a wide street scene and having the ability to punch into a tight facial expression, retaining medium format levels of crisp detail. That level of cropping flexibility transforms how you shoot in fast-paced environments, making every frame yield multiple masterpiece opportunities. Processing power is nothing without speed and intelligence, and that is where the X-Processor 5 changes the game completely. The computational autofocus system built into the X-Pro 4 utilizes deep learning AI algorithms trained on hundreds of thousands of images. It doesn't just track human faces and eyes. It recognizes vehicles, birds, animals, motorcycles, trains, and airplanes with sticky accuracy. For street photographers navigating chaotic urban environments, the camera will lock onto human subjects instantly, even when they turn away or wear glasses and masks. Gone are the days of hunting for focus in low-light alleyways or missing a fleeting emotion on a busy crosswalk. The X-Pro 4 ensures that when you press the shutter, your subject is tack sharp every single time. One of the biggest questions surrounding the X-Pro 4 was whether Fujifilm could squeeze in-body image stabilization into a body this sleek and lightweight without destroying the classic rangefinder aesthetic. Industry reports confirm that against all odds, Fujifilm has successfully engineered a brand new, ultra-compact 5-axis IBIS unit specifically for the X-Pro 4 body. We are looking at up to 7 stops of image stabilization. Think about what that means for real-world shooting. You can comfortably leave your tripod at home, walk into a dimly lit jazz club, or shoot night cityscapes handheld. at shutter speeds as slow as half a second, and still walk away with crystal clear results. This single upgrade solves the biggest limitation of the X-Pro 3 and elevates the new model into an absolute low-light monster. Let us talk about the feature that truly sets the X-Pro series apart from every other camera on the planet: the hybrid multi-viewfinder. Leaks reveal that Fujifilm has given the viewfinder on the X-Pro for a massive overhaul. The electronic viewfinder portion now boasts a gorgeous OLED display with a crisp 5.76 million dot resolution and a buttery, smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This eliminates lag almost entirely, providing a view so fluid it feels like looking through optical glass. Meanwhile, the optical viewfinder mode continues to offer that iconic clear rangefinder perspective, allowing you to see elements outside your frame before they step into your shot. The seamless toggle switch on the front allows you to flip between pure optical clarity and precise digital preview in a fraction of a second. Design aesthetics and build quality have always been the soul of the X-Pro lineup. Early manufacturing leaks confirm that Fujifilm is maintaining its premium titanium construction for the top and bottom plates, finished with an enhanced scratch-resistant coating that surpasses previous iterations. The tactile physical dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation are refined with knurled textures, providing satisfying tactile feedback with every click. This camera is engineered to survive harsh weather, heavy downpours, dusty tracks, and cold weather environments without skipping a beat. It feels less like an electronic gadget and more like a precision instrument built to last generations. In terms of rear display evolution, Fujifilm has taken a refined approach. While the controversial hidden screen of the X-Pro 3 made waves, leaks point toward a dual-hinge tilt mechanism similar to what purists loved on the GFX series, or a sleeker, fully flush multi-angle touchscreen. This allows low-angle, waist-level shooting, crucial for stealthy street photography, without forcing users to swing the screen out to the side like a video-centric camera. The small submonitor on the rear remains, allowing you to display your active film simulation mode, ISO, or battery status in classic retro styling even when the main screen is turned off. Speaking of film simulations, Fujifilm is rolling out brand new color science profiles exclusive to the X Processor 5 generation, alongside improved renditions of beloved classics like Classic Chrome, Classic Neg, and Acros. A new rumored custom simulation mode gives creators unprecedented control over grain texture, color chrome effects, clarity, and shadow tone directly inside the camera settings. This means you can craft signature film-like JPEG recipes on the fly and deliver finished, polished street photography straight to your smartphone without ever needing to open editing software. While the X-Pro 4 remains a photo-first tool, its video capabilities have received massive upgrades to keep up with modern demands. Insiders suggest internal 6.2K recording at 30 frames per second in 10-bit 4:2:2 color, along with uncompressed 4K at 60 frames per second. With Log2 support yielding over 13 stops of dynamic range, filmmakers can shoot cinematic street B-roll and documentary footage that matches high-end cinema cameras. The inclusion of modern heat dissipation design ensures extended recording times without thermal throttling, making it an insanely capable secondary camera for high-end video producers. Battery life and connectivity have also seen substantial upgrades. The X-Pro 4 adopts the larger capacity NP W235 battery, delivering hundreds of additional shots per charge compared to legacy models. Power management efficiency from a new 5nm process node of the X Processor 5 ensures all-day endurance for long street shoots. Furthermore, fast USB-C power delivery, dual UHS-2 SD card slots, high-speed Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity allow instantaneous image transfer to mobile devices and direct cloud backup options.